What if you could take your trading strategy, type it all out in English, and turn it into a fully automated trading bot with absolutely zero code? In this video, I'm going to show you how Arcade lets you go from idea to execution in just a few minutes. What exactly is Arcade though? Arcade TradeLab helps you quickly and reliably launch custom trading bots with no code at all. And it does a lot more than that too. But we're going to cover that in today's video. You're just going to write your strategy in plain English. The AI will turn it into logic and code and will actually deploy it for you instantly. You don't need any dev teams. You don't need Pine script, no technical setup. You're just going to basically get results. Okay. So I want to go ahead and just share that with you right now. Okay. So I've already typed my strategy out right here. All you have to do is just type your strategy and then press enter. The AI will assess and begin to process a response. And boom, it went ahead and give us a response right here. And it's going to ask us a couple questions. Okay, so thank you for providing the details. However, to fully automate the strategy, we need to define some form of exit condition to protect the capital. Here's what I need: a stop loss level and a take profit level. So again, it's up to you. You have full control. The AI, obviously will help, add some guidelines. But for this demo, we're just going to literally say, right, no take profit or stop loss, and then trade 24/7. Because again, there's another question here that asks us, what time restrictions. So again, you could make your strategy so specific that if you just want to trade up Fridays, from I don't know, 9 to 10 a.m., you could do that, right? So yeah, right now for this demo, there's no take profit or stop loss. We're going to trade 24/7. But if you have a different strategy, you type in any strategy with technical analysis, you can automate with this. Okay. So I'm just going to press enter, respond to those questions. And then shortly here, we should see this green, this thing turn bright, vivid green, which it does. And again, it's going to ask us to confirm if all the details are correct. If the details are correct, which they are, we can just go ahead and press generate strategy. Okay. And that is literally it. Okay. So we just literally type our strategy out, and now the AI is extracting the rules from our prompt. It is currently generating the code based on those rules, right? And then shortly, it's going to refine the structure and optimize it to run as efficiently as possible. And then shortly, right? So now it's working on the refining and the optimizing. And then shortly, we'll see strategy 35 pop up. Okay. So we'll have all of that, right? And it's basically been less than 3 minutes up until this point. Whereas before, if you had a dev team, this would take, weeks, if not months. But now, again, it's basically complete around the 3-minute mark. And we'll see strategy 35 populating here very shortly. Boom. And right now, boom. So there's strategy 35, right? And you could adjust the settings here however you would like, right? So let's say, you want to adjust the period, you want to adjust the, and again, this is going to be unique. This is my example for this demo. This is not financial advice. You type in any strategy you want. Okay. This is not unique to this strategy. It's any strategy with technical analysis, and the settings will be here specific to your strategy. Okay. This is just an example. And now when I want to go launch a bot, right, I could pick up to 30 tickers, right? So I don't know. We could just pick literally anything. You could pick, just normal stocks. You could pick ETFs. You could pick crypto, whatever you want, up to 30 tickers. You select your broker, right? Which I'll show you how to set up your broker shortly and briefly, either paper trading or live. Select your entry sizing, right? So you could literally adjust if I want, 10% of my portfolio or 25% of my portfolio or, 57%, doesn't matter. Or you could say how much you want to risk per trade or the units you want to, per trade. So let's say I want to trade 10 units, right, per trade on paper trading. And I just literally press start strategy, right? And then boom, we have launched a trading bot, right? This bot is now live, paper trading for us with this exact strategy, with these exact rules. And let's say I want to stop it, just press stop. If I want to trade options, we also enable options trading. And it's basically the exact same thing, except you choose an expiration date, right? So it's really, really, really easy, right? So at the, before 5-minute mark, we've launched a fully automated trading bot. And again, quickly, right, before this call ends, to set up your broker, to integrate your broker, you just literally press copy and paste on your on the API key section, right? So you go to manage API keys, and then you paste your API key and the secret key. There's a full training in here as well on how to exactly do that for a specific broker. And you just press connect API, right? And then boom, you have everything set up, right? And that's just one of the super cool things you could do inside of Arcade. Yeah, so we're open for beta now. If you are interested, go ahead and click the link down below. And I'd love to hear from you and love to work with you. Talk soon. Bye.